I thought I was building just another simple shelf, but what it turned into shocked me. One small design change made it look like something straight out of a designer showroom, and I almost didn't even try it. Honestly, I've tested a few builds before, but this is the first time something this simple looked this premium. By the way, I didn't figure everything out alone. I got the base idea from Ted's 16,000 woodworking plans. It gave me a solid starting point without overcomplicating things. If you're curious, I've left the link in the description below so you can check out the full pack anytime. Now let me show you exactly what I did and why this worked so well. Here's what I've noticed. Most shelves are just boring. Straight lines, basic boxes, nothing that stands out. So instead of doing the usual, I kept the clean grid structure but added one bold curve on the side. At first, I wasn't confident at all. I actually thought I might mess up the whole piece. But as I kept going, things started to click. The mix of sharp edges and that smooth curve created this balance that just felt right. Not too simple, not too crazy. And when I finished it, wow, it didn't look like a basic DIY project anymore. It looked high-end. I used the drawers for tools and the open sections for display, so it's not just nice to look at, it's actually useful every day. From this build, I realized something important. You don't need complex designs to create something impressive. Sometimes one small, smart change is enough to completely transform the result.